Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact color code. This is the single most important step. Once you have the code, photograph the area and, if possible, collect a tiny paint chip. Then clean the damaged zone with 70% isopropyl. This removes wax, oils, and dirt that interfere with swatches. Make sure to note finish type, gloss, satin, or matte, because matching finish is as important as color. Next, measure the scratch size to decide between pen, bottle, or spray options. Once you order the matched paint, OEM or a reputable aftermarket, you prepare for application. Start with primer on bare metal. It improves adhesion and prevents rust. After primer cures, apply thin color layers. Let each coat flash for the recommended time, usually 10-20 minutes. Use a fine brush or toothpick for hairline scratches or a foam applicator for larger spots. Make sure to test on a scrap panel so you can see color match and drying behavior before you finish by applying 2-3 even color coats, then 1-2 wet coats of clear to match surrounding gloss. Once cured, wet sand with 1,500-3,000 grit to level, then compound and polish to blend edges. Make sure to wait the full cure time before waxing, typically 7 days. If the color looks off, don't panic. Wet sand and reapply thin layers or get a blended spray from a body shop. That blending fixes slight tint differences and avoids visible repair lines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.